This massive titanium alloy ingot is the foundation for the Su-57's airframe.
The scan results are correlating perfectly with the simulation. Check the crystalline structure readout.
Looks clean. We are within spec for the bulkheads.
The titanium ingots are smoothly transferred into the heat exchanging and forging facility. Simultaneously, the carbon fiber rolls are
The Z offset seems slightly off on the starboard ply.
rerunning the calibration sequence now.
Ensuring all tolerances are met, the robot transfers the Su-57 component for laser verification.
The fusion process happens instantly, creating a perfectly seamless, micron-level weld seam, critical for maximizing overall strength.
Robotic arms maneuver flexible, self-sealing fuel tank bladders into the internal cavities of the Su-57 Felon fuselage.
Automated torque wrenches tighten every single bolt to exact specifications, ensuring uniform load distribution, critical for the integrated stealth design.
Transport cradle moving at optimal speed.
Confirmed. Clear path to process B.
Watch the starboard stabilizers.
The automated fiber placement robots meticulously apply the composite plies. Optical sensors continuously verify the accuracy.
Thermocouples connected and tested.
Vacuum seal is holding steady. We are good to go.
Alignment looks good on the LERX.
Copy that. Proceeding with the fastening sequence on the vertical stabilizers.
Automated through systems that turn hydraulic sternsums and artillery the conduit.
Robotic routing.
Alignment is complete. Run the fluid connection diagnostic.
Confirmed. Pressure holds steady at 5,000 psi.
Approaching target point. Slowing to 5%.
Acknowledged. Clear to proceed for vertical alignment.
Steady now. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Confirmed. Engaging mounts. Start the harness connection sequence.
Fuel calibration complete. Center of gravity calculations confirmed, accurate.
We have a stable connection. Engine and flight controls are logging correctly.
Verified. Ready for analysis.
Power card secured. Internal systems check initiated.
Copy that. Pin is pulled on the nose gear. We are clear to taxi.
All pre-flight checks confirmed. Ground to air systems green.
Roger that. Preparing for engine start.
Power up sequence complete. All indicators nominal. Commencing flight control check.
The Su-57 Felon executes this high-G maneuver, validating the rigorous structural testing of the composite skin performed in processes A and B.
The weapons bay doors cycle rapidly, confirming the precise fit and functionality of the internal
Flaps and gear down. Stable glide path. Final verification complete.
The trials are complete, General. The aircraft is fully mission capable.
Excellent work, Major. We accept delivery.